Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerful motherboards, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries and the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi. Get ready for some serious tech talk and a whole lot of fun. Let's jump right into it. The first category we'll compare is the price. The MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries comes in at a jaw-dropping $119, while the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi will set you back a hefty $259. According to reviews, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries offers good value for its price. Next, let's talk about processor support. The MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries supports the AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3000 series desktop processors, but it's not compatible with the AMD Ryzen 5340G and Ryzen 3 3200G. On the other hand, the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi supports the 12th 13th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors for LGA 1700 socket. Reviewers mention that the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi has a wider range of processor compatibility. Now let's move on to memory support. The MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries supports DDR4 memory, up to a blazing fast 4400 OC MHz. However, the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi takes it to the next level with DDR5 memory support, up to a mind-boggling 7200 plus OC MHz. According to reviews, the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi offers impressive memory support. Moving on to storage, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries features Lightning Gen 4x4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer, ensuring a lightning-fast experience. It also boasts a premium thermal solution with a 7W pad and additional choke thermal pad. On the other hand, the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi offers Lightning Gen 4x4 M2 and the extended Heatsink design for a premium thermal solution. Reviewers mention that the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries has an impressive M.2 Shield Frozer and overall powerful design. Lastly, let's talk about additional features. The MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries brings some serious power with its Core Boost, Digital PWMIC, Creator Genie, and DDR4 Boost. Reviewers mention that it's like having a superhero squad inside your PC. On the other hand, the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi hits back with its enhanced power design, dual 8-pin CPU power connectors, Core Boost, and Memory Boost. Both products bring their A-game to the table according to reviews. According to online reviews, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries is highly recommended for its affordable price, multiple features, and compatibility with AMD processors. On the other hand, the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi is praised for its premium build quality, aesthetics, and wide range of processor compatibility. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries motherboard and the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk WiFi motherboard. While both products have their strengths, it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you would like us to compare next. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next episode of Buy Smart. Happy shopping!